Quick, what does the word bank mean? Careful, it's a trick. You can't answer. Not yet. Now, I deposited my money at the bank. Now you can. Same word. The meaning was never inside the word. It came from the neighbors. Last time we found the leaderboard, the machines ranked guesses for the next word and left one question open. Who writes the scores? Today, the room where meaning gets made. Here's what feels true. The machine hears bank and looks it up, like a dictionary. But open a real dictionary. Bank, a place for money. Also, bank, the side of a river. 2 entries. The word alone cannot choose. And remember, this machine can't even read. Your words already became plain numbers before they got here. So a lookup can't be the answer. What actually happens when bank walks into the machine? It goes back to the round table, the room from episode 1 we promised to open. Here's what's inside. Every piece of your sentence carries spotlights. As it sits down, it shines them back across the table, brightest on the neighbors that matter most. And this is real. We caught one of our little model's 144 spotlights in the act. In the money sentence, bank shines 54% of this spotlight straight at money. Change the sentence to a river, and it swings. 68% straight at river. The word is asking its neighbors what it means. And what do lit-up neighbors do? They write the scores. Watch the leaderboard. It's ranked guesses for what comes next. Same word, bank, 2 different tables. Money neighbors at the table, the board fills with loan, deposit, refund. River neighbors, same word, and now the board says river, sun, water. Real numbers, both boards. So there's the answer from last episode. Nobody writes the scores, the neighbors do. But hang on, nobody ever told it that money neighbors matter. Park that. It's the deepest question in this whole machine. Because here's what you just watched, the most famous trick in modern AI. Engineers call it attention, each word paying attention to the others. And it's not one lamp on one table. Our small model runs 144 spotlights at once. The big ones? Thousands. Every piece, lighting every piece before it, at every single step of the guessing game. That's the machinery under the words, "It understands me." And once you can see the spotlights, you can aim them. 3 moves. 1. In long chats, stop saying it and that thing. Name what you mean. A spotlight can only light a neighbor it can find. 2. The spotlights can reach anywhere, but they find a clear, close clue most reliably. So put the clarifying context right next to the ambiguous ask. The Python question becomes the Python question, the programming language, not the snake. 3. When it misunderstands a word, don't repeat yourself louder. Add 1 good neighbor, 1 clue word, and watch the whole answer swing. The way river swung bank. Now, that parked question. Nobody programmed river goes with bank. The spotlights learned where to shine by reading. Almost everything. That story is coming. But next time, we flip the whole desk around. You now know how it understands you. So let's talk about how to ask so it actually helps. Subscribe and tinker along.